recipe for the Greek cuisine. It's lemon and potatoes and chicken in lemon sauce. It's very, very easy and very fast. So we have potatoes here and we have chicken. And chicken and potatoes. So we put it in the big tray. And we're going to marinate it with a lot of herbs. This is a dish which takes a lot of herbs which are very, very healthy for our organization. So we have this and we're going to take, first of all, salt and pepper. Okay, we go like this, salt, we take some pepper, like that, and some oregano, dry oregano, although we have also here fresh oregano. You see, we have here fresh oregano, so we can go like this, around, and spread it around. And we have thyme. This is fresh thyme, just got it from the rocks outside. So we have the thyme. Then we have rosemary, of course, which is fantastic for the memory and for tranquilizing. Every herb has a lot of properties, so they're very, very healthy to be used in the different in the cooking, in different recipes. So more thyme here, go like that, and then we also have grated garlic. This is something that you do in a blender. You clean the garlic, you put it in a blender, you keep it in a jar for a month with vegetable oil, and then it is ready to spread it in your cooking. Okay, let's put a lot of garlic, it's good. Lots of garlic, it's very, very healthy. And then of course, we have fresh lemon, and we also have some juice already here, okay? So we put some juice, some fresh lemon and some juice, like that. And there we go. And then we put them all together, we mix them all together. We have all this, we have our gloves, so we can do it like this. Everything goes everywhere. And then when we cook it, we're going to turn around the chicken so it will become brown on both sides. It smells very, very good, very, very good. So let's put some more rosemary here. You can use rosemary even if you make just plain potatoes, in case somebody is vegan and does not need meat. This recipe can go also for goats. Here in Amorgos, we have a lot of goat meat. This is why goat recipes are very, very popular. So that's it. We have put everything together. We have mixed it, everything has gone everywhere. And we can also add some leaves of Daphne, which is bay leaves, okay? And that is fantastic. Then on top of this, we're going to put, of course, olive oil. We'll go like that, olive oil all around. And we need to put some water, not so much, just to cover the bottom of the tray, like this. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about, I guess, about 2 hours in medium heat, maybe 375. And it will be ready. And it is fantastic, very, very easy, very fast. So everybody can do it. Let's decorate a little bit here with lemon. Lemon is very, very good. There you go. And we can add a little bit more dry oregano for the top. And we have fresh oregano here also. If we have fresh oregano, it's good. If not, we use the dry oregano. Rosemary the same way, thyme the same way. Everything is fantastic. There we go. This is going to be fantastic. Look how fast it is. In about 5 minutes, you have it ready. You can put it in the oven and it will be ready in 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on the heat. Here is the chicken and potatoes in lemon sauce ready. We can enjoy it now, and I'm going to serve it for you. Let's make a nice plate over here. You see all the herbs in there. Let's make a nice plate. Plenty of rosemary, some potatoes. As we mentioned, you can use rosemary and all the herbs just in potatoes if somebody is vegan or vegetarian. Okay? So here we are. Something really nice and easy. Okay? And we can decorate it a little bit with a fresh rosemary, and we just sprinkle around some of this, and here is our plate to enjoy.